All right. So, welcome Naveen. So, Naveen is a student
Yes,
for data analytics in Jobaaj Learning, and I've invited him so that he can share his views on what kind of job he do right now and what kind of tools and technologies he used in his job and how data analytics helps him in his day-to-day life. So, welcome Naveen.
yes.
Yeah, Naveen. So,
Good
can
evening,
you
sir.
tell like what is your background in which company you do job and in which what is your job profile over there and what are the tools and technologies you use?
Yes, sir. I'm working in Bescom. Bescom integrated content center. We controlling the all equipments. 11 kV. What is the 11 kV we supply? We have now in Bangalore. All our 11 kVs we control remotely with the SCADA and this one Unix. Linux front end we working on Linux. Then we using Excel also in for some storage, storing the some information tables. In Excel, I helpful in analytics. In so many short forms are there in Excel. We can't use mouse in everywhere. Uh, we
So Naveen, basically you mentioned that you use a tool called SCADA, right?
Yes, yeah.
So SCADA is
In
used as
SCADA,
yeah, as far as I know, SCADA is used for data extraction. Right? It extracts data
yes,
from multiple points in your manufacturing units.
yes, sir. The
So
data
what
will connecting. We are collecting the data from SCADA from KPT cell to our control center.
okay, so
Bescom
what kind
integrated
of data
control.
it is? I mean, what kind of columns and what kind of data it is?
It is the feeders like substations. We have so many substations. 11 kV substations, 66 kV substations. So many divisions are there. In Bangalore, in Bangalore, four circles are there in north, east, west. Like that, we collecting the whole data from KPT cell from SCADA. They are sending to us all data of the substations and sub feeders like that. We sending the data. Then we connected the I am working in DAS. DAS means distribution automated system. In DAS, there are 3 to 5 equipments are there. Our equipments they use for Bescom profit also, and customer will satisfied. They not worried about current or power supply. They
Right.
getting continuously current.
Right, right. So, so basically, when you collected the data from SCADA software, then you export that data to Microsoft Excel, and then you basically do your data cleaning and data analysis over there, right?
Yeah, sir.
So, how much time do you spend on Excel in your, I mean, daily work routine as far as analyzing that data or cleaning the data or transforming the data is concerned?
Sir, 2 to 4 hours.
2 to 4 hours. And so basically, you use a lot of formulas over there to clean that data and Excel shortcuts to analyze that data, right?
Yeah, sir.
All right. So basically, it's a manufacturing data as far as I can understand. It's a plant
Yes,
data, plant-based data, right?
yes, yes.
So what kind of columns are there in that data? I mean, I know there can be a plant name and what kind of other columns we have in that data.
Sorry. One station for example, one station is
Okay.
there.
Yeah.
Starting station code will be there, like E4. Then substation Bangalore. Then subdivision. Example Whitefield. Then feeder. Which feeder? Feeder one to so many up to 30 feeders like that. Then
Hmm,
equipment.
correct. Okay,
For
okay.
one
So
feeder,
basically,
five equipments are there.
it's a hierarchical data.
Yes,
You
sir.
have location-wise hierarchy, and then you have your plant-based hierarchy, and then you have your equipment-based hierarchy over there, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So do you also, I mean, use this data for optimizing your inventory or understanding the failures of the equipment and then analyzing that data? So what is the end purpose of that? How do you analyze that data and what is the end output you give?
Sorry, actually, in rainy season, so many faults occurs in outside skirts in field in field. So many damages and so many fault
Yeah,
will
right.
occurs. That time, linemen's or field J or E, they can't go there because of heavy rain or some weather condition is not good. Means they can't go there. But we are controlling. We are control the all equipments in our control only, our control room only. They can't go anywhere. We are operating here. If one place will if get fault means. We open the switches means we off the current in that area only for rectifying that fault. When we'll rectifying that, afterwards we can close this switch until only
Yes.
that area will not get currenting but
Got
get
it.
power supply.
So basically, you are using the data analytics to understand the fault, basically, especially as you described in the rainy season, and then you can take actions upon that data immediately to make sure everything is working
Yes,
fine,
sir.
right? All right.
If we get any fault means we collecting the alarms and we collecting the data immediately.
So basically, data analytics is used this way in the electrical domain as well, as I can see, right?
Yes, sir.
So, I mean, what has been your background, as in, what kind of education you have done, and what is your background basically?
Sir, I'm electrical and electronics engineering from Reva University, Bangalore only.
Okay, so basically you're from
22 passed out
EC
years.
domain, right?
Triple E, sir, double E.
Triple E domain. All right, all
Yes, sir.
right. So, I mean, what kind of instruction you would like to give to the future data analyst who would want to, who are from, let's suppose, Triple E domain and want to get into your sector? So, I think most probably, I think what you have described is Excel skills is very important over here, right, to analyze that data.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, all right. So I think many times people focus upon big data tools like we have got Power BI, SQL, but sometimes whenever the amount of data will be small, mostly that analysis in most of the companies done through Microsoft Excel only. So over
Yes,
there,
sir.
we should basically know a lot of shortcuts to analyze the data. So, all right. Thank you so much, Naveen, for sharing your insights. And this will definitely boost confidence in the future data analyst as well, that how important Microsoft Excel is, in any domain, whether it is electrical or mechanical or any other domain. So, thank you so much.
Yes, sir.
And again, we will connect on Discord for further career assistance, right?
Okay, sir.